Hey there, friends! Welcome back to our channel, DIY74 Official. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to many of our viewers. How to replace a John Deere tractor alternator. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to gather your tools. Here's what you'll need. A socket set. A ratchet 13mm and 10mm ratchet. A screwdriver. A pair of pliers. A voltmeter. Now let's get started. Step 1. Locate the alternator. On a John Deere tractor, the alternator is usually located on the front of the engine near the radiator. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. This is a crucial safety measure to prevent any accidental sparks or short circuits. Step 3. Remove the belt. Using a ratchet and socket, loosen and remove the belt from the alternator. Step 4. Remove the bolts. There are usually 3 or 4 bolts holding the alternator in place. Use your socket set to remove them. Step 5. Pull out the alternator. With the bolts removed, you should be able to gently pull the alternator out of its housing. Step 6. Test the old alternator. Using a voltmeter, test the old alternator to see if it's still working. If it's not, you'll need to replace it. Step 7. Install the new alternator. Make sure the new alternator is compatible with your tractor model. Once you've confirmed that, gently push it into place. Step 8. Reattach the bolts. Use your socket set to reattach the bolts that hold the alternator in place. Step 9. Reconnect the belt. Slip the belt back onto the alternator and tighten it using your ratchet. Step 10. Reconnect the battery. Now that the alternator is in place, you can reconnect the battery. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced your John Deere tractor alternator. Remember, always follow safety precautions and consult your tractor's manual for specific instructions. If you're unsure about any step, it's always best to consult a professional. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, thanks for sharing.